doors closing.
Hello, good morning. Happy Father's Day to everyone, all the fathers in this church and everywhere. Sabi sa Ephesians 6:2, honor your father. And this is the first commandment with a promise that it will go well with you and that you will enjoy long lives. Today we want to say thank you, fathers, for your lives shared to us, your children, and with your families. Sa lahat ng tatay sa ICC, maraming salamat po sa inyong presensya sa ICC family. You are indeed our great fathers. God bless you more. We love you all. Thank you.
But to offer you my life, greater love I have not found it. Oh, by mercy you have eased this troubled mind.
Happy Father's Day!
I will search and I will find. Sin is broken.
Po sa lahat ng mga tatay, we're so blessed na we've been part po sa buhay ninyo. God bless you all.
Sin is broken, the lost and chosen, the Father's heart.
Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng tatay. Boring birthday sa mga pasto. Sa inyo mga tatay. Sa tatay ko, sa lolo ko. Sa mga hindi ko naman tatay dito, pero tatay ko. At sa magiging tatay pa, magiging tatay na.
By your grace I stand for everything that's true.
Good morning po. Happy Father's Day sa inyong lahat, sa mga magsisisi na napakasipag nila, talagang pinapalaki nila. Thank you. Maraming salamat sa mga tatay na tatay nila. Happy Father's Day. Love you all. God bless.
Forever I keep running back to you. Sing it out. Sin is broken, the lost not chosen.
Ako sa lahat ng tatay at mga tutulog ng daigdig. Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng tatay, lalo sa ICC ko, sa ICC ko, sa lahat ng tatay, magiging tatay pa. Wow, gusto ko na mo. Father's Day na naman. Happy Father's Day, I love you all. God bless you.
Sin is broken, the lost not chosen. Father's heart. Sin is broken, the lost not chosen. Father's heart. You reign in all the earth. You reign in all the earth. You reign in all the earth. You reign in all the earth.
Happy Father's Day sa ating mga tatay.
In